Okay, why don't we talk about the quizzes and the final exam? So hopefully at this point of the Blackboard, as you look through the Blackboard, you have, and let me go at the beginning here, you are beginning to get a little more comfortable by the time you get to this recording. So you went to announcements, and if you've clicked on course material, you'll notice that there's a syllabus, you'll notice that there's learning plans, the prezzies, writing assignments, and then down at the bottom here are the quizzes, the final exam, and the study guide. Note that there are about 14 to 15 quizzes. Again, I'm giving this as a general announcement to all my classes with some basic functions, so it might change a little bit. You might see the chapters a little different as well. Notice though that for each quiz they will be between 10 to 15 questions. Okay, 10 to 15 questions here, and again, some of these questions will ask you to watch a video or to look at an illustration, so be sure to check that out. And there are no timers on these. There are essentially due dates on when quizzes have to be due, but again, there are no timers on these, just there's a certain due date in which they're due. And that gives you flexibility if you need to go back through the textbook, watch a recording, look at an illustration, review a Prezi. So I give you ample time to take care of that. Also, depending on the class as well, you will see the study guide and final exam open up sooner or later. So definitely be sure to check those out. The final exam is typically 45 questions, 15 multiple choice, 15 true and false, and 15 short answer. Short answer being anywhere from 1 to 5 sentences. So now again, I haven't really talked about points because they're different for each class based on how many questions and whatnot. So I would encourage you to, when you go back to course material and you were to click on the syllabus, and you'll see the Prezi pop up, that the first slide that you've seen in the other recording and the other Prezi is the schedule, right? And that takes a second to pop up there. But as you go through the syllabus, you'll see the point breakdown. So if you can bear with me for a quick second here. I think I got to slide over a little bit. Let me expand this. All right. And if we are looking at the total points, again, depending on the course, you'll see different point schedule, but there's your points. There's a video that talks about them. And for each class, for your class, you will see different point breakdown here. So check that out. But I just want to remind you about that, the point breakdown. Okay, so as you go back through here, let me escape out of here and go back to Blackboard. Again, just scroll all the way down in the course material. You'll find this video as well as the link for all the quizzes, the final exam, and the study guide. Okay, I hope this was helpful.